Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xbox Series X or S is updated. This ensures compatibility. Once done, power down completely and unplug for at least 10 seconds to avoid data corruption. Next, locate the proprietary card slot on the console's back or side, align the card with the connector, and press firmly until you hear a click. You're doing this to establish a secure hardware connection. Make sure the card sits flush to avoid read errors. After insertion, power on the Xbox and follow the on-screen prompt to format the card. Formatting prepares the file system and optimizes load performance. Once formatted, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Storage to choose where new installs land and to move existing games. Use the expansion card for bulk library storage and reserve the internal SSD for titles you want instant resume on. This balances speed versus capacity. Finish by adjusting install defaults and verifying game performance. You want the card integrated into your library smoothly. When removing the card, always eject it in storage settings or power down first to prevent corruption. If the console does not recognize the card, reseat it and reboot. This usually clears handshaking issues. Finally, make sure Cloud Save is active. If something goes wrong, your saves stay intact while you troubleshoot hardware or formatting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.